Today we are calculating 6 minus 3, followed immediately by 6 minus 3 in parentheses. Because the numbers repeat and sit directly against the brackets, it's very easy to misinterpret the operational priority. Pause the video right now, solve it in your head, and leave your immediate answer in the comments. Let's look at the strict step-by-step rules of PEMDAS to unlock the correct answer. According to the order of operations, our absolute mandatory first move is to evaluate the subtraction inside the parentheses. Parentheses hold the highest priority in the hierarchy, which means we must ignore the subtraction and multiplication on the outside for now. Our first step is to calculate the subtraction inside the brackets. We subtract 3 from 6, which gives us 3. Dropping this back into place updates our expression to 6 minus 3 with a 3 inside the parentheses. Now we address the number sitting directly against the brackets. In algebra, two numbers without a symbol imply standard multiplication. This means writing 3 bracket 3 is mathematically identical to writing 3 multiplied by 3. Now we look at our remaining operations, subtraction and multiplication. Because multiplication strictly outranks subtraction in the order of operations, we must perform the product next. We multiply 3 by 3, which evaluates perfectly to 9, updating our expression to 6 minus 9. Now we perform the final subtraction step to complete the problem. Subtracting 9 from 6 drops us below 0, resulting in negative 3. So the final answer is negative 3.